Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great, and as you have read it on the title, I'm gonna show you how you can share your Instagram posts on your story. So first thing first, please subscribe to the channel and let me begin. So I'm opening the app. Next thing you have to do is go to your profile, and after you go to your profile or after you open your profile, please select whichever photo you'd like to share on your story. Since I've got only one photo, I'm gonna open it, and so this is the photo that I would like to share on my story. So the next thing I'm gonna do is click on the arrow button, which is right next to the comment button on the right side. So I'm gonna click that, and something like this pops up. Now you can send this photo privately to any of your friends or followers. If you hit the send button, this photo is directly gonna go to their message box, and that is not the thing that we want to do here. So as you can see, there's something written in blue color where it says add post to your story. So the only thing that you have to do here is click add posts to your story, and there you go. So you can do whatever you want to do from here. If you'd like to use some stickers or something, or maybe add some text, select any color you like, just play with it, or make it look nice. Just after you finish editing with the photo, you just click on your story, and that is how you add any photo of yours to your story. There you go. So this photo has been added on my story. So that is how you add photos from your account to your story. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day.